Good morning, everyone. Welcome to MyCrypto Networks. Today, we're going to be looking at top 5 most recent cryptocurrency news. Eleng ditaba tsa moraorao tse ipetsang pele ka cryptocurrency. Ha re shebeng hore na di re tshwaretseng. News number 1, posted ka di 12 tsa January 2022. Ha re sheba headlines e re Bitfarms buys the dip. 1,000 bitcoins added to treasury as BTC falls while mining hardware prices remain high. In details, the global Bitcoin mining company Bitfarms has bought the dip and added 1,000 bitcoins to its balance sheet. Moving on, Bitfarms Limited has taken advantage of falling prices of Bitcoin. The publicly traded Bitcoin mining company announced Monday that it has purchased 1,000 BTC for its treasury. The details during the first week of January 2022, Bitfarms purchased 1,000 BTC for USD 43.2 million. This increased the BTC holding 30% over 4,300 as of January 10, 2022. Let's move on to ditaba tse ding hape jwale ka ke hlalositse hore we are going to be looking at top 5 cryptocurrency news. Ya bobedi ke mona na ho thwe posted on 12 January, Binance becomes official sponsor of the Total Energies Africa Cup of Nations. Binance, that is the biggest platform exchange, cryptocurrency exchange in the world. Now it is officially sponsoring dipapadi tsena tsa rona tsa Africa Cup of Nations. O ka ipalla mona ditaba ke tsenana and what to expect ka Binance in this dipapadi. Moving on to the third one. Mona re bua ka naha ya Iran. Top news, ntse re le top news. Mona ho posted on 11 January 2022. Iran to permit use of cryptocurrencies in international settlement, reports reveal. Iranian companies will be allowed to use cryptocurrencies in settlements with partners in other countries. Local media reported. We are finalizing a mechanism for operations of the system. We should provide new opportunities for importers and exporters to use crypto in their international deals. Lesona ba batlang ho di fumana le tla di fumana le boteng lena la news.bitcoin.com. Moving on to the Fed. El Salvador ke nngwe ya dinaha tse investang ka botebo haholo ka hore cryptocurrency. Ho thwe El Salvador to add more geothermal energy sources to power Bitcoin city. Na go tlisa handle. El Salvador investing in new geothermal energy sources. Le tla be se le ipalla le teng hore na Bitcoin city e powerwa ha o etsala jwang. Moving on, kana le ditaba tse ding hape monana ho thwe let's go through. And the last one, Wharton's professor warns about inflation, predicts many rate hikes, says Bitcoin has replaced gold for millennials. Mona re bua ka a financial professor of Bitcoin. A financial professor on Bitcoin and inflations. Ona ntsa bua interview le television ya CNBC. Mme ke a tshepa hore ka o le tlisetsa tsena tsohle le tla hlokomela hore na Re sa le morao ha kae thutong ya rona ho cryptocurrency le marangrang ana kaofela eo ke ntseng ke a bua. Re ntse re tswela pele ho etsa di-research le ho hokahanya le marangrang ohle a di-platform tse sebetsanang le cryptocurrency le blockchain, e le hore when we kickstart this project e mong le mong a tla be le kutlwisiso hore na o tshwanetse hore a rutwe jwang. Ke a leboha haebe kgotso.